Hello friends! Today, I'm revealing how to get a luxury home look for under $500. No designer budget required. If you've ever wondered how those magazine-worthy spaces come together, you're in the right place. These are real, budget-friendly strategies I use in my own projects. No fake promises, just results. Ready to transform your home into a luxury haven without breaking the bank? Let's jump in. Paint is the ultimate game changer when it comes to transforming your home. With just a single weekend, a bucket of paint, and a little creativity, you can completely reinvent the look and feel of any space. Whether you're working with a small apartment or a spacious house, paint offers an affordable and dramatic way to refresh your surroundings. It's amazing how a simple color change can breathe new life into tired walls, making your home feel brand new without the need for a major renovation. When choosing colors, consider rich, deep hues like navy or charcoal to add instant depth and sophistication to your rooms. These shades can make a space feel cozy and inviting while also giving it a touch of luxury. On the other hand, crisp whites and soft neutrals can open up a room, making it feel airy, bright, and expensive. Don't be afraid to experiment with color. Paint is one of the easiest ways to express your personal style and set the mood for each room in your home. Remember, walls aren't the only surfaces that can benefit from a fresh coat of paint. Ceilings are often overlooked, but painting them in a bold or unexpected color can add instant drama and make your space feel truly unique. Interior doors are another great opportunity. Try painting them in a contrasting shade to create a chic, designer-inspired look that stands out. Don't stop at walls and doors. Old furniture can be completely transformed with high-quality paint and updated hardware. Whether it's a vintage dresser, a tired coffee table, or a set of mismatched chairs, a fresh coat of paint can turn forgotten pieces into custom luxe statement items. This is a fantastic way to personalize your space and save money by upcycling what you already own. Preparation is key to achieving a flawless, professional-looking finish. Always start by cleaning your surfaces thoroughly, sanding them smooth, and taping off edges for crisp lines. Don't skip priming. This step ensures your paint adheres properly and lasts longer, especially on tricky surfaces like glossy furniture or previously painted walls. Investing in high-quality brushes and rollers makes a huge difference in the final result. The right tools help you achieve smooth, even coverage and sharp edges, giving your project that polished, high-end feel. Take your time with the details. Careful application is what separates a DIY job from a designer finish. Paint is not only affordable and versatile, but it's also a powerful way to let your personality shine throughout your home. From bold accent walls to subtle, serene palettes, your color choices tell a story about who you are and how you want your space to feel. Don't be afraid to try something new or unexpected. Your home should reflect your unique taste. So go ahead, be bold with your choices and have fun with the process. The beauty of paint is that it's never permanent. If you change your mind or want a new look down the road, you can always repaint. With a little effort and imagination, you can transform any space into something truly special. Lighting transforms a room, and you don't need to splurge on designer pieces. Swap out outdated fixtures for budget-friendly dupes from stores like Target, IKEA, or thrift shops. A little spray paint or new bulbs can make even a basic fixture look high-end. Layer your lighting. Mix overheads, lamps, and sconces for depth and warmth. Use warm, soft white LEDs for that cozy luxury glow. Most fixtures are easy to replace. Just turn off the power and follow instructions. Lighting is the ultimate mood setter, so get creative and let your rooms shine. Thrifting is the secret to adding character and luxury for less. Hunt for quality materials, solid wood, real metal, or heavy textiles at thrift stores or online marketplaces. Don't be afraid of dated finishes. Paint or new upholstery can work wonders. Look for statement pieces, a vintage mirror, bold art, or a unique accent chair. Thrifted accessories. Trays, bowls, candlesticks. Add layers of sophistication. Mix and match for a curated, one-of-a-kind look. Thrifting is budget-friendly, eco-friendly, and fun. Your next showstopper is out there. Happy hunting! When designing your living room, think of the sofa as the heart of the space. Investing in a high-quality, timeless sofa is one of the smartest decisions you can make for your home. Not only does a well-made sofa provide comfort and durability for years to come, but it also serves as the anchor that ties your entire room together. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern look or a classic, cozy vibe, your sofa will set the tone for everything else in the space. But splurging doesn't have to mean breaking the bank. Shop smart by checking out sales, outlet stores, or even gently used options at second-hand shops. You might be surprised at the quality and style you can find for a fraction of the price. Take your time to sit, test, and compare. Comfort and craftsmanship are worth the extra effort. Once you've chosen your perfect sofa, you can save money and still refresh your space by focusing on accessories. Swap out throw pillows, cozy blankets, and decorative trays to instantly update your living room's look. These small changes can make a big impact, letting you experiment with color, texture, and style without a major investment. Don't be afraid to mix high and low pieces. Pair a unique thrifted lamp with a budget-friendly coffee table for a designer-inspired contrast. This approach adds personality and character to your space, making it feel curated and lived in rather than overly matched or staged. Choose functional accessories like woven baskets or versatile ottomans. Not only do they add style, but they also provide much-needed storage for blankets, magazines, or toys, helping you keep your living room tidy and organized. Remember, it's all about focusing your spending where it matters most. Let affordable accents, like vases, candles, or picture frames, tell your story and reflect your personality. These finishing touches can be easily swapped out as your tastes evolve. Ultimately, the right sofa sets the tone for your entire living room. By investing wisely in this key piece and saving on accessories, you can create a beautiful, welcoming space that feels both luxurious and budget-friendly. Upgrading hardware is a quick, affordable way to elevate kitchens, baths, and furniture. Swap out knobs and pulls for modern finishes like brass matte black or acrylic. Mix metals for visual interest, but keep it consistent for cohesion. It's a simple DIY. Just measure, unscrew, and replace. Don't forget furniture. New hardware plus a coat of paint equals instant upgrade. Small changes, big impact. Hardware makes everyday moments feel more luxurious. Texture is the secret ingredient that transforms a simple room into a rich, inviting space. It's not just about what you see, but what you feel. Texture adds depth, dimension, and a sense of comfort that instantly makes any room feel more welcoming and lived in. Start by layering throws, pillows, and rugs in a variety of materials. Think linen for a breezy, relaxed vibe, velvet for a touch of elegance, and faux fur for ultimate coziness. Mixing these fabrics together creates instant luxury and visual interest, making your space feel thoughtfully designed. To keep things looking curated rather than chaotic, stick to a cohesive color palette. This doesn't mean everything has to match perfectly. Try mixing different sizes, shapes, and subtle patterns within your chosen colors. This approach adds personality and keeps the look sophisticated. Don't be afraid to drape a throw over the back of a chair, layer multiple rugs for added depth, or toss a plush sheepskin on a bench. These small touches create pockets of coziness and make your home feel more inviting, especially during colder months. One of the best things about textiles is how easy they are to swap out. Change pillow covers and throws with the seasons, light cottons and linens for spring and summer, heavier knits and velvets for fall and winter. This simple switch keeps your space feeling fresh and up-to-date all year round. Rugs are another powerful way to add both warmth and style. Choose natural fibers like jute or sisal for a grounded, earthy feel, or go bold with a patterned area rug to make a statement. Rugs help define spaces and anchor your furniture, making the room feel complete. If your space ever feels flat or uninspired, adding texture is one of the most affordable and effective ways to elevate it. Whether it's a chunky knit pillow, a woven basket, or a soft throw, these details can take your home from simply nice to truly wow-worthy. True luxury starts with editing. Less clutter, more intention. Clear out anything you don't love or use. Donate or repurpose what doesn't fit your vision. Arrange decor thoughtfully. Group objects in odd numbers, vary heights, and leave some surfaces empty. Create focal points with art, lighting, or styled shelves. Use baskets and bins to keep everyday items out of sight. Regularly refresh your space by rotating decor or rearranging shelves. Luxury is about space to breathe and appreciating what you have. Embrace simplicity. Your home will feel more expensive and more you. There you have it. 7 ways to achieve a luxury home look for under $500. True luxury is about smart, intentional choices that reflect your style. Share your own budget-friendly tips in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more ideas. Thanks for watching. Happy decorating. Happy.